The slippery slope fallacy assumes that taking one action will inevitably lead to a series of other actions that cannot be prevented. And this type of argumentation is often used in the face of social movements. Most recently, when the Supreme Court was looking at the question of whether or not same-sex couples should be allowed to get married, many people argued that allowing gays to marry would inevitably lead to a number of really negative outcomes, such as people being able to marry house pets, people being able to marry inanimate objects, people being able to marry their families, and so on and so forth. In reality, we generally have ways to stop progression wherever we want to. Usually, taking one step is not going to inevitably lead to other really perceptibly negative steps. We usually can stop somewhere along the way where it makes logical sense to stop. So if someone is arguing to you that taking this action or not taking this action is going to lead to this really extreme negative outcome, ask them how they got from A to Z. Ask them where their evidence is that A is going to automatically and inevitably lead to Z. If they don't have that evidence, then it's a slippery slope argument. And most likely, A is not going to lead to Z.